Taralets.
Taralets. Taralets.
Taralets. Taralets. Should I say taralets bagets?
Favorite line ni Al ay, um, live better. And regret is longer than pain.
um, don't punish yourself by staying. You have to live, hindi para sa iba, hindi para sa sarili mo. Yun po yung favorite line ko. Oh, wow! Oh, I discovered it just today. Pinaka-favorite ko always sabihin ang lahat sila gusto lang akong manahimik, mamatay ng walang ingay. Siguro from my character, siguro yung pinandiinan niya na hindi ka mahal ng tatay mo, you're just using those mga memories. Hindi naman totoong mahal ka ng tatay mo. Ang totoo, pinagnanasan, something like that.